Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So today I'll be explaining indices. So what basically is indices? So in indices, for example, if we have 2x which is being multiplied together, so we have 2x which will be x squared. For example, if we have 2 multiplied by 2, we will have 2 to the power of 2. This is what indices is. In indices, you write a number using indices or powers, which means these are the powers or indices that you have written in the index notation. And any number that can be used as index notation, 0, or in negative integers will be written in fractions, and the index tells you how many times the base has been multiplied by itself. Meaning if over here we have 2, it means that the number 2 is multiplied 2 times by itself, which is 2 multiplied by 2. This is what we will do. For example, if we have 2 to the power of 5, so what this basically does is that the 2 is multiplied by itself 5 times. So 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 and multiplied by 2, which will be 32. On another example, if we have 2 to the power of 8, which will be multiplied 8 times. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this will be 256. So this is what indices tells you about index notation. So another part of indices is the law of indices. So what is the laws of indices? The laws of indices are very important in algebra because they give you a quick way of simplifying the expression. So what this basically means is if we have 2 to the power of 2 multiplied by 2 to the power of 2, the powers will add up and the base number will stay the same. So we will have 2 to the power of 4. Like if over here is 2 square is 4 and here is 4, so 4 fours are 16. If we do it with 2 to the power of 4, it will be the same. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. So this and these are same. So it can be, we have to add both the powers and keep the base same. And the example will be x to the power of 4 multiplied by x to the power of 6. So both the powers will add up and the base will stay the same. So this will be x to the power of 10. Next will be 3 to the power of 2 divided by 3 to the power of 2. So what basically over here is, I did 0, it will be 0, but here 2 minus 2 will be 0, so 3 to the power of 0. Another example for the division sign will be 3 to the power of 7 divided by 3 to the power of 3. So what basically over here is, what we will do over here is we subtract 3 from 7. So 3 minus 7, that will be 4, and the bases will be the same. So 3 to the power of 4. So the answer will be 3 to the power of 4. Next topic is dividing the same base number with different indices. That's what we have done over here. It's all the same topic, law of indices, in which we have multiplying and then dividing. Over here dividing, and over here we have multiplication. So this is what we will do in the law of indices. So the next type of indices is raising the power. Over here we have raising the power. So raising the power. So in raising the power, what we will do is, for example, if we have x to the power of 3 to whole power of 4. So basically over here is we multiply the powers together. So 3 4s are 12. So this will be x to the power of 12. So this will be the answer. And second one, if we have 3x square y 5 whole square. So what we will do over here is 2 first will be squared by 3. So this will be 3 square is 9. Then x square, so 2 multiplied by 2 will be 4. So it will be x to the power of 4. Then y to the power of 5, and 5 will be multiplied by 2 with 2. So y to the power of 10. So the answer will be 9x to the power of 4, y to the power of 10. So this is the answer. And another example can be, if we have 4x square multiplied by 2x cube divided by 2x to the power of 0. So first of all, this will be 1, because it's 0 to 2 to the power of 0 will be 1, and x to the power of 0 will be 1. So this will be 1. Then here we will do 2 4s are 8. Then x power is 2, and over here x power is 3. So 3 plus 2, because this is multiplication. In multiplication, both the powers will add up. They will add up. So 2 plus 3 will be 5. So 8 to the power of x, 8x to the power of 5 divided by 1. This will be the same, like 8x to the power of 5. So the answer will be 8x to the power of 5.